hello, welcome back to my channel with Lupita's life journey. I am so happy to have you guys here, and yes, you guys hear maybe that echo, and it is because I am at my new apartment. We finally got our apartment. We're finally gonna be on our own. It's just gonna be me and my three smaller children. My oldest daughter is not gonna be coming with us, but she literally lives like next building, so we are good. And today what I have for you guys is an empty apartment tour. Okay, it's a small apartment, and you guys won't see much, but I love it, and I know there's a lot of great things are gonna happen here. So let's go ahead and get started, you guys. So I'm gonna take you guys back to the entrance so you guys can see from the entrance and back. So let's go. Okay guys, so this is it. It is an apartment, and so here you guys see is the living room, and I think it's a pretty big living room. I mean, it is just myself and my three kids. We don't need that big of a space. So I think I'm gonna put like the TV there, so whenever I decide to move the couches, whenever I get couches, we do like to move stuff around a lot, and I think that if I put the TV there, I can be able to move the couches anywhere around in the living room. So that is the idea. So like, let's say if I want to have them there, I can have them there, or if I want to have them there, I can have them there, and so on. So yeah, so far I don't know yet, but that's just an idea. And then here we have the little dining area. So this is one of the things that I love the most. Now I'm gonna be honest with you guys, when I came the first time to see this apartment, I was not expecting to apply. I was not like, you know, I was like, oh, maybe they're not gonna give it to me. But then I was like, nope, I am still gonna go for it, and whatever happens, happens. Let's let it be. So I just left it to the universe, and here we are. I even told the owner that apartment's been waiting for me, because you guys, let me tell you, this apartment has been empty for like 2 months, and she said that all the applications she had received, she just no good credit score, or no good vibes, or I don't know. Anyway, so there's still a lot of mail from the previous tenant, and I like this. So so pretty. And then here are the cabinets. So I don't have like a lot of stuff. If anything, I don't have anything. I'm just gonna bring a couple of dishes that I already have with my family. And here's more cabinets, you guys. There's a lot of storage, and that's the one thing I like. So here we go, more storage. And like I was telling you earlier, when I saw this apartment, as soon as I entered in here, I was like, perfect. I didn't even see the bathroom. I didn't see a lot of the details, but I don't know, for whatever reason, when they opened the door, I had that feeling like this is it. Oops. So there's more storage up there. A lot of storage, and I'm sure this is the same. Okay, we're gonna start moving today, and I just wanted to do this video real quick because I did tell you guys I was gonna give you guys a, what is this? Just a little trash. Anyway, I have to dust it out. So a lot of storage, you guys. Let me see. More storage. Yep. And so This is the kitchen. We have a brand new, it came with the stove, so I don't have to spend on stove. And it came with the dishwasher, but I am not a dishwasher person, at least not yet, because I've never had one. So I'm gonna be using the sink. And yeah, so this is the kitchen, you guys. It is a small kitchen, but it is perfect for us. And I like the fact that it has the little, you know, dining area separate from the dining room. And that's the one thing I love the most. It does not come with the fridge. As you guys can see, the fridge is gonna go here, and I already went and got it at Best Buy. For now, I got it at zero interest. No, I am not gonna get in debt, okay? But I thought that if I want to grow my credit score, I'm gonna do that and just pay it in like a 3 payments, having the money already. So just so that I can continue working on my credit. So here's a little storage. This is like the little hallway, you can say, and it is very small. So this is like the exit of the bathroom, and then it has like more storage, and you can see that there's another entrance for the living room. So basically I went in through there, went in there to the kitchen. Then we have the kitchen there, it has an exit here, and so I like that. So exiting the kitchen, you see more storage, which I like. I can put oh, here I can actually use it as my business stuff now that I think about it. And then up there, either business stuff, I don't know yet, but here, this is just our heater. So yeah, and here we go. Let me show you guys the bathroom first. Completely empty. My children was telling me to change the light bulb because they don't like the yellow. I honestly don't mind. So yeah, so there is our shower. I already have a curtain, so that's gonna go up next. I have to wash the bathtub just because it's dusty, but I really like it. I had not paid attention to the bathroom. You guys hear me say that a lot, and you're gonna be like, how can you rent an apartment without looking at it? I fell in love as soon as they opened the door, and I had that feeling like this is for me. It's been waiting for me, and like yeah. So woo, I like this. And then we have storage down here, which is perfect. There you go. So far, you guys, I'm in love. And then here's one of the bedrooms. It is a 2-bedroom apartment, okay? So my daughter, she couldn't wait. She already started bringing some of her stuff, and it does have a big closet, which I love. This way one can have one side, the other one can have the other side, and they don't fight about it, because storage my other place was a big problem. So hopefully they're okay. So we're gonna go now to the other bedroom. So excited, you guys. Let me know, what do you guys think? This is gonna be my bedroom, and I plan on, it's okay. So here she is. Like I said, she couldn't wait. 1 second. So I plan, I don't know, but I think I'm gonna have my office space in my bedroom, you guys, just because I don't know, I feel like now that we have a whole full-on apartment to ourselves, I'm gonna have the bedroom mostly empty, so why not just put my office in here as well. So I was planning on either putting the office here, my bed there, and yeah, so I don't know, or maybe the bed there facing this way, the office here, I don't know yet. But maybe just leave the office here just because the window's there. That way I don't have to worry about the light in the morning, and I can go back to my regular routine on recording, which I need ASAP. So here we go, guys. This is the closet. Again, it is a 2-door closet, giving me plenty of space. And yeah, so that is it, you guys. And that concludes our tour. Let me know. What do you think, girl? Why are you hiding?
I like it.
Why are you hiding?
I don't know.
Yeah, so this is it. I'm in love. Let me know what you guys want to see next. I'm gonna definitely move in today and tomorrow, so I don't even know if I'm gonna have time to upload. But you guys, this time I've been waiting for it for so long, and it's finally here. So yeah, let me know what you think down in the comments below. And if you have not subscribed yet to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, give our video a thumbs up, and leave your comment down below. But before that, just hit that button down below. Go ahead just now. I'll see you guys on my next video.